Chapter 5. Cooking the TLC Way. Sample Meal Options. In this section, I'm going to introduce you to some delicious TLC recipes. Breakfast Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh blueberries, half a cup of chopped baby spinach, 1 cup of avocado chopped, 2 tablespoons of almonds, minced, 1 cup of coconut milk, and half a cup of ice cubes, optional. For preparation, start by washing and draining the baby spinach. Combine it with other ingredients in a blender and mix for about 30 seconds. Serve cold. Next is a fruit salad. The ingredients are 1 cup of berries, half a cup of pineapple cubes, half a cup of chopped apple, 5 mint sprigs, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon of lime zest, a 1/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of agave syrup. For preparation, start in a small saucepan by combining 1/4 cup of water, mint sprig, fresh lime juice, and lime zest. Allow it to boil over medium temperature and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from the heat and cool. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, combine 1 cup of berries, half cup of pineapple cubes, and half cup of chopped apple. Add agave syrup and mix well. Pour the lime mixture over the salad and let it stand in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove from the refrigerator and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon before serving. Grilled eggplant slices with chopped fennel. Ingredients here are 1 large eggplant, half a cup of chopped fennel, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of chopped parsley. For preparation, peel the eggplant and cut into 3 equal slices. Bake it in a barbecue pan without oil. When done, spread olive oil over it, sprinkle with fennel and parsley. These eggplant slices are great cold, so you can leave them overnight in a refrigerator. Turkey fillet with walnuts and maple syrup. The ingredients are 3 turkey fillets, half a cup of walnuts, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt to taste. For preparation, fry the fillets in a barbecue pan over a low temperature for about 15 minutes or until tender. Remove the pan from the heat and add water, maple syrup, and walnuts. Mix well and fry for another 5 to 6 minutes until the water evaporates. Stir constantly. Allow it to cool for a while before serving. Beef chop with pineapple and turmeric. Ingredients include 1½ pounds of beef chop, boneless, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 medium pineapple peeled and chopped. For preparation, start to wash and dry the meat. Then, cut into bite-sized cubes. Combine the meat with coconut oil, coconut milk, turmeric, pepper, and pineapple. Mix well and set aside for 15 minutes. Use a large wok pan to heat up the olive oil. Remove the meat and pineapple chops from the marinade and fry for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Now pour in the remaining marinade. Cover the wok pan and cook for 30 minutes over a medium temperature. The marinade will become thick and the meat soft. Remove from the heat and serve. Salmon with zucchini. The ingredients include 1 pound of sliced salmon fillets, 2 small zucchinis, 6 Brussels sprouts, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. For preparation, peel and slice zucchinis into 1/2 inch thick circle-shaped slices. Cut salmon fillets into bite-sized pieces. Heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet and add your salmon fillets. Fry them up for about 10 minutes or until they are nice and crispy. When done, move them to a plate covered with a paper plate to soak up the grease. Set them aside. Cut the Brussels sprouts in half. Combine with zucchini slices in a large bowl and add 2 tablespoons of the remaining olive oil. Move the vegetables to the skillet and cook until the Brussels sprouts are tender. This should take no more than 10 minutes. Add your salmon fillets to the skillet, cover, and allow to rewarm. Serve and enjoy.